Everyone knows that nothing lasts forever, and in most art studios, brushes need to be replaced more than anything else. With heavy usage, solvents, or improper cleaning, brushes will literally fall apart on you. But when something is well made, we can bet it will last longer, and Creative Inspiration Dura-Handle brushes were designed to do just that, last. While wood handles are traditionally the preferred style for artists the world over, there's a growing need to have handles that do not chip or crack when soaked in water or solvents. The beautiful long or short handles are built from a solid resin, not cheap plastic, and will feel just like wood but will last longer. Since they're made of resin, the handles will not chip or crack when soaked in water and can be reused after cleaning. The Creative Inspiration Dura-Handle brushes come equipped with seamless nickel-plated brass ferrules. The hair is made from resilient, high-performance Taklon synthetic hair, so it can be used with anything from watercolor to oils. The synthetic filament hair shapes to a square edge or superfine point for a wonderful brush response and superb control. If you're finding yourself constantly replacing brushes, the Creative Inspiration Dura-Handle brushes are your answer. You gotta try them to believe them.